Good morning, class 5. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the third video lecture of the chapter Simple Machine. In last video, we have discussed about lever and we have also discussed about different types of lever. In today's video, we are going to discuss inclined plane and wedge. See here, this is a place which is at height, and here is a ball. You have to lift this ball and place here. So you will lift the ball and you will place here. Instead of doing so, what I do, I place a wooden plank, लकड़ी का एक तख्ता लगा देते हैं, and roll the ball above this, and you will move the ball to here. Which one is easy? By using this, we can say it is easy. So this sloping surface is called inclined plane. This sloping surface is called inclined plane. As you can say, this is a inclined plane. This area is, here difference between the ground is less and here difference is more. Means we can say inclined plane is a simple device which makes our work easier for moving the object, or we can say inclined plane is a plane in which one end of the inclined plane is, means length of height of one end of the inclined plane is more compared to other end. That is also a way of definition inclined plane. So what is inclined plane? See, an inclined plane is a simple machine used to move objects at a higher place. This is the example. This is definition of inclined plane. Or one more definition I am giving you. Your choice, which one you want to remember. Next is an inclined plane is a sloping surface with one end higher than the other. So which one you want, which one you comfortable with, you can remember any one of these two. Example of inclined plane, ramp, और you can say पहाड़ पे कभी कभी कहीं घूमने गए हैं तो जो पहाड़ पे जो रास्ता जाता है वो थोड़ा सा तिरछा होता है. सो रोड्स गोइंग ऑन द हिल, और यू कैन से sloping surface is called inclined plane. So these are the example of inclined plane. Ramp, roads going up the hill, और स्लाइड, वो बच्चे चढ़ के वो फिसलते हैं ना, दैट ऑल्सो इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ inclined plane. और wooden planks, these are the example of inclined plane. Next is wedge. Wedge, see, wedge works on the principle of inclined plane. Wedge works on the principle of inclined plane. See here, if you see, छेनी देखें कभी? छेनी ऐसा होता है ना, छेनी ऐसा. So see here, what I have told you, what is the definition of inclined plane? If I see from here, this is an inclined plane and this is another inclined plane. So two inclined plane meeting at a sharp edge is called wedge. For example, in knife और in axe, कुल्हाड़ी, कुल्हाड़ी में देखते हैं पीछे का पोर्शन जो होता है वो चौड़ा होता है और आगे का पोर्शन जो होता है वो नुकीला होता है और यहाँ पे डंडा लगा होता है जिसको ऐसे करके मारते हैं. So these are two inclined plane meeting at a sharp point is called wedge. Okay, it helps to move apart the things को अलग करने में ये ज्यादा मदद करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक लकड़ी का टुकड़ा है, ये लकड़ी का ब्लॉक है, इसको हमको बीच से फाड़ना है. हम क्या करेंगे, इसको यहाँ पे लगाएंगे तो थोड़ा सा इसके अंदर ऐसे चला गया ये, और इस पे जब हथौड़ी मारेंगे तो ये लकड़ी का टुकड़ा बीच से फट के अलग हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड wedge. ओके, व्हाट इज wedge? Two inclined plane meeting at a sharp edge is called wedge. It makes it easier to force things apart. चीजों को ये अलग करने में ज्यादा सहायकारी होता है. सहायता मीन्स ज्यादा हेल्पफुल है. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ wedge: knife, razor, axe. So these are the example of wedge. So what is inclined plane? Inclined plane is a sloping surface with one end higher from the other end. It helps to take or means place the object from one place to another at higher place, or it is also useful in bringing the substance down the inclined plane also. Okay, and wedge, when two inclined plane meet at a point at a sharp edge, is called wedge, and it help in forcing the things apart. Example of wedge is knife, razor and axe. Okay, so hope you understand. Still anyone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay, thank you for the day.